Me, Teacher Cristina, again for our online class. Alright, so today's lesson, we will learn about parallel lines. Now I have here two different lines, but before that, can you please tell me what is a parallel lines? Do you still remember? This is just a review on our lesson last time. Okay, so parallel lines is a line that never, parallel line is a line, okay. Parallel line is a two lines that never meet. So they are parallel lines. So if you see the two lines like this, examples, that's a parallel line. Now we have here line segment we have here line AB and CD. Okay, we have a straight line AB and CD. Now they are parallel with this symbol like this. We have AB parallel to CD. Okay, now these two lines, when we are going to cut it with another straight lines, which is, what do you call this straight line? That is a transversal. Okay, so this line that cut the two parallel lines is called a transversal line. Okay, so after cutting that one, after cutting the two lines, what have you noticed? We form a different angles, right? We have angle 1, we have angle 2, we have angle 3, and we have angle 4. We also have angle 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when we cut two straight lines, parallel lines, when we cut them together, when we cut the lines with a transversal line, we created 8 different angles. Now, what are those angles? If you still remember, we have corresponding angle, consecutive angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angles, and we also have vertical angle and supplementary angles. Okay, so first is we will identify what are those different angles. Okay, so first we have consecutive angle. Let's try to identify here what are the consecutive angles. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, so consecutive angles, these are angles that are on the same position. Alright, so we have here, okay, example, angle 1. Alright, angle 1. Now, the same position with angle 1, that is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are those angles on the same position. So let's try to identify in this given parallel here, let's try to identify which are corresponding angles. Okay, so let's try to separate this one. Okay, so this group, I will draw it here like this. Alright, and then this group, we're going to draw it like this as well. Alright, so let's start with angle 1. Okay, now, corresponding is the same position. Now, where is the same position of the other angles, the other set? So we have this one, right? The same position with our 1 on the upper left. Okay, so the upper left, and we have here, which angle is that? Angle 5. Okay, very good. Now next for our angle 2, the upper right. Okay, the upper right, number 2 is in the upper right here. Now, the same position, so we are going to what? Look for the upper right angle. So, this one, right? 2 and 2, it should be number 6. Okay, so 1 and 5 is a corresponding angle, which is 1 and 5, that is what? Equal. Okay, angle 1 and angle 5 is equal. What are these? Corresponding angle. So number 2 and number 6, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angle, meaning they are equal. Alright, next, what else? We have number 3, angle 3, up lower left. We have here lower left. What is our lower left? 7. Okay, 7. So this angle 3 is corresponding to angle 7, meaning angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Alright, next we have lower right. We have angle 4. Now, where is the same position with angle 4? The other side, lower right, is angle 8. Okay, so angle 8. 4 is corresponding angle with 8. Or 8 corresponding with 4. So, meaning 4, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Alright, so this here are corresponding angle, meaning to say the sizes of this angle are equal to the corresponding angle. Again, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is corresponding angle to angle 5. The same with 2, angle 2 corresponding to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. The same with angle 3 and angle 4. Okay, is it clear? Alright, so next angle. Alright, so example of corresponding angles. So again, example, we have here angle. This angle is example that is example 120 degrees. Okay, example. So if this angle is 120 degrees, now what is the size of this angle? Take note, they are a corresponding angle, and meaning to say they are equal. They are the same. So if this angle here is equal to 120 degrees, therefore this angle here is equal to 120 degrees as well. Okay, all right, so another example, we have, okay, another example. How about this one? Okay, another example. Example, if this is 60 degrees angle. Okay, example, 60 degrees angle. So meaning to say the corresponding angle of this one is this one, right? Meaning to say that this angle have the same, size to this angle. They are equal because it is a corresponding angle. So if this is 60-degree angle, therefore this angle here is equal to 60 degrees as well. Okay, so next. Okay, so next angle we have consecutive interior angles, meaning to say that the angles that are inside, okay, that are inside our parallel line. So what are those angles? So we have angle 3, 4, 5, and 6 are interior angles. Okay, so this time is we will identify a consecutive interior angles. Okay, consecutive meaning to say when you add them together, the answer is 180 degrees. Okay, so let's try to identify. Alright, so you look at here again in our examples. It said here that angle 3, okay, angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Now they are consecutive interior angles. Okay, so they are consecutive interior angles. Okay, so again, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 5, add them together is equal to 180 degrees. Example, if this angle here, angle 3, is 120 degrees plus this one that is 60 degrees, this answer is 180 degrees. Alright, or another example, if angle, alright, another example, if angle 3 should be plus angle 5, that is equal to 180 degrees, right? Okay, how about example, angle 3 measures 80, okay, 80 degrees plus angle 5, that is equal to 180. Now example, if angle 3 is 80 degrees, now what is the measure of angle 5? Using this one, so we were going to check that one. So that is angle 5, that is equal to 180 minus 80 degrees. That is angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees minus 80, that is 100 degrees. So example, angle 3 is 80 degrees. 1 is 80 degrees, therefore 5 is 100 degrees. Now the total should be equal to 180 degrees. Alright? Okay. Another. Okay, so consecutive interior angles, angle 3 is consecutive interior angles, so that angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and we also have angle 4 plus angle 6, okay, plus angle 6, that is equal to 180 degrees. So that's it. Next angle is alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angle. So when it says alternate, meaning opposite, and it means that the angle are equal, meaning they have the same sizes. Okay, so they are equal. Now let's try to look first the alternate interior angles. So those angles that are inside our parallel lines. So alternate, okay, I will write it here. Okay, alternate interior angles. Okay, so we have here alternate of that, alternate. Okay, opposite of number 3 is opposite of angle 3 is angle 6. So angle 3 that is equal to angle 6. Okay, and angle 4, okay, angle 4 is equal to opposite of number 4, opposite of angle 4 is angle 5. So that is angle 5. Now, angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So these are alternate interior angles. Now, how about exterior angles? Okay, how about alternate exterior angles? Okay, exterior angles meaning outside our parallel. So what are those right here, right? So outside our parallel, so we have angle 1 is opposite, okay, opposite to angle 8. Oh, angle 1 is equal to angle 8. And we have angle 2 is opposite to angle 7. So angle 2 is alternate exterior angle to 7, and alternate angle is equal, meaning to say, example, if angle 2 is 60 degrees, so therefore if this is 60 degree, therefore this one angle 7 is 60 degree as well. So 60 degrees. Okay, all right. So the same with angle 1 and angle 8. So example, if angle 1 that is 120 degrees, angle 1 to this one that is 120 degrees as well. Okay, all right. So next. So supplementary angles that is 180 degrees when we add the two angles. So it's either consecutive angles, it's either straight line angles. So when we add two angles, the answer is 180 degrees. Therefore, that angle is a supplementary angle. Example, if we have angle 1 plus angle, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 that is equal to 180 degrees. Now this one is what? A supplementary angle, and that is also a straight line angle, meaning to say they are of course a straight line angle. I will write it here. Straight line angles. Alright, if we add them together and the answer is 180 degrees, then that angle is a supplementary angles. And yes, it is the same with our consecutive angles. Now the only difference of consecutive angles and a supplementary angles, because consecutive angles, it should be on the same side, right? They should be on the same side. That is consecutive angle. Same side here, we have 3 and 5, 1 and 7. And on the other side, okay, that is side, one side, and on the right side, we have 4 and 6, or 4 plus 6, that is a consecutive angle. 2 and 8, that is consecutive angle too. But supplementary angles, although it can be consecutive angles, but supplementary angles, you can add not only one side. You can add from left to right, from up to down. Okay, you can write 3 plus 4. Okay, that is, when you write that one, that is angle 3 plus angle 4, that is equal to 180 degrees. That is a supplementary angle. You can add angle 2 plus angle 4, that is equal to 180 degrees. That is supplementary angle. So any direction, up and down, left to right, right to left, on the same side and not. If you add the two angles and the answer is 180 degrees, then therefore that angle is a supplementary angle. Okay, next. Meaning vertical angle, that's an angle on the. Okay, next angles that we are going to identify is a vertical angles. Now, these are those angles who are on the vertex. Okay, who are on the vertex, meaning to say, right? And those angles who are on the vertex and the opposite of each other. Okay, opposite on the vertex, right? Okay, so example here we have, okay, first we're going to look for this set. All right, now look at here. Now we have vertex, opposite vertex, so we have 1, angle 1, that is opposite. What is the opposite of angle 1? Angle 4. So, no, like that. So, angle 1, meaning to say it is equal to angle 4. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. And angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Okay. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Alright. And we also have here angle 5. What is the opposite of angle 5 here? Through the vertex is angle 8. And the other one, angle 6. Angle 6, that is equal to angle 7. Okay. So, meaning to say, example, okay. Meaning to say that these angles are the same. Now, if example, angle 1 is 60 degrees, example only. If angle 1 is 60 degrees, then angle 4 is equal to 60 degrees as well. Right? Now, if angle 3 is equal to 120 degrees, then angle 2 is also 120 degrees, right? Okay, so that's example. And another example, we have angle 5 and angle 6. Angle 5 and angle 8. Okay, so example, if angle 5 here is 80 degrees, therefore angle 8 is also 80 degree. Then angle 6, that is equal to 100. This is vertical angle equal. So angle 6 is 100 degrees. So therefore angle 7 is also 100 degree. Alright, so that's it, right? Now it's very easy. Okay, again, corresponding angle. You need to say the angle is equal. Consecutive angle, when you add them together on the same side, now take note, on the same side, the answer is 180 degrees. Supplementary angle, when you add two angles, the answer is equal, that is supplementary angle. Next we have alternate interior and exterior angle, meaning to say the opposite angle is equal. Okay, it's equal. Next we have vertical angle. This is also equal. So all just to memorize that one, corresponding, alternate, and vertical angles are equal. Corresponding, alternate, and vertical equal. Consecutive and supplementary, add them together, is equal to 100 degrees. Consecutive and supplementary, add two angles, the answer is 180 degrees. Alright. Okay, so I have here figures. Okay, so let's try to identify which lines are parallel. Is it this one, line AB and CD, or this one, line EF and line GH? Okay, let's try to check if this is parallel or not using the different angles that I gave you. Okay, so first let's check. Okay, so given here that this angle E and 117. Now, how are we going to check this one? Okay, for me the easiest way you can check is let's try to do the consecutive angle. Okay, and what is that consecutive angle? When you add the two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, let's check. So let's try to find this one first. Okay, so let's try to find this one. So that is 60, and this, that is consecutive angle. So we have here that is 60 degree plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. So we have x is equal to 180 degree. Move the 60 to the other side, that is minus 60 degrees. So x is equal to 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. And then next thing we're going to look for this one, this two angle. Okay, this two angle is what? Vertical angle, right? And what is the rule said? Vertical angle should be equal. Okay, let's try to check if this angle and this is equal. Say 120. Okay, I'll write it here. 120 degrees, and that is 170 degrees, right? So therefore, obviously, this is not equal. So 120 is not equal with 117. Okay, 120 is not equal with 117. So therefore, this line AB is not parallel. Sorry, is not first thing we did is consecutive angle. Next, vertical angle. Consecutive angle, vertical angle. And you can do also here. You can do like this also. Supplementary angle and then corresponding angle. Still, sum up with they are not a parallel. Okay, got it. Alright, so next. Okay, so next example, we have this one. Alright, so this one, we have given 120 degree and 60 degree. Okay, 120 degree and 60 degree. So here you can do any solution, any method. What are you going to use? And finding, you can use those angles. Alright, so you can use any method you want, which is easier for you, but still we will come up with the same answer. Okay, but here we will use, the easiest for me is the same what we did here. From here, vertical angle. Okay, so 120, that is vertical to this angle here. Okay, which is equal to 120. Vertical angle is equal, so 120 angles, that is equal to 120 angle. Next, consecutive angle. Consecutive angle, so we have 60 plus 120. What is the answer? That is equal to 180 degrees. So meaning to say that this given here is line EF is what? Parallel to GH. Okay, so it's very easy, right? Okay, and you can use also another method, like I said earlier. From here, you can do what? You can do consecutive supplementary angle. After supplementary angle, consecutive angle. Okay, you can do also like that. 20, so that is 60 degrees. 60 and 60 is equal, meaning to say parallel line. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy, right? Now if you have a question, just comment down below. Okay, so I have here another example. Alright, okay, we have here given, we have this angle is 118 degree and the other side is 4x plus 30 degree, and said that these two lines AB and CD is parallel. So meaning to say it's parallel, so we can do our method, the different angles, how to find it. You can use that one here. Okay, so from this given example, so what is that? What do you see here? So that this angle here is opposite, no? It's opposite to the other side. So meaning to say this is alternate interior angle. So this one is alternate so this is alternate interior angles. Alright, meaning to say this is equal. So we can do like this, that the 118 degree, that is equal to 4x plus 30 degrees. Okay, so we can solve it like this. Okay, so we have 118 degrees, move on the other side, minus 30 degree, that is equal to 4x. Okay, so 118 degrees minus 30, that is equal to 88 degree, is equal to, copy this one, 4x. Now 4x. Remember our linear equation. So 4x divide 4 divide 4. So that is x is equal to 88 degree divide 4. That is 22 degree. Okay, that is 22 degree. Okay, so therefore 4x plus 30 degree, that is the x is 22 degree. Now let's check. Okay, let's try to check. We have 4x x plus 30 degrees. Okay, let's check if this one is equal to 118 degree. Let's try to check. So 4, what is that? 22 plus 30 degree, that is equal to 118 degree. So we have here 4 times 22, that is 88 degree plus 30 degree, 118 degree. So that is 118 degree is equal to 118 degree. So correct. So meaning to say our value of x is correct. Alright. So question. Alright, so now the technique here is you are going to identify first what are those angles so that it's easy for you to solve. Okay, so another example we have like this. Okay, now what can we notice? Okay, so we have given 52 degree and we have 3x and 19 degree. Now try to observe what angle is this. What type of angle is this? It's very good alternate interior angle. So we need to say that this angle here is equal to this angle. Now let's try to solve x. Let's try to find the value of the x. So we have here, you will write that is 3x plus 19 degree, that is equal to 52 degree. Okay, now try to solve this one. So 3x is equal to 52 degree minus 19 degree, that is equal to 3x is equal to 33 degree. Now we divide it by, am I too fast? So we divide it by 3, we divide by 3, so that is x is equal to 11. See? Very easy. X here is equal to 11. Okay, so next I have here examples. Okay, I have here example. This is, we have given angle x, Okay, next I have here another example, and we have given here that that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, that AB is parallel to CD, and we have given this side is 60 degrees, and we also have given 2x and x. Now the question is find x. Okay, find the value of x. Now how are we going to do that? Of course, very easy. Now this one, this is 60, and what is this? Supplementary angles, meaning to say when we add together is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so let's solve this one. That is 60 degrees plus, we will mark this one as our A. A that is equal to 180 degrees. So A, you can see A that is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is equal to 120 degrees. Alright, so A here is equal to 120 degrees. Now take note that this side here, that this angle here is equal to this angle. And what is the reason again? Corresponding angle. So we have 120, that is equal to this one, that is x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x. So 120 degree, that is equal to, divide by 3, divide 3, so x is equal to 120 degree divided 3 is 40 degrees. Okay, so 40 degrees. Now let's try to check. Let's try to check if this one is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so 60 corresponding angle. So 60 meaning to say this is 60 degrees. So x here is 40 degrees. And this one we have 2x, that is equal to 80 degrees. Alright, let's check. We have 60 plus 40 plus 80, that is equal to 180 degrees. So the value of our x is 40. Alright, so do you understand? Now if you don't understand, just rewind the video, watch it again, and comment if you have any questions. Alright, so that's it for today, and if you have questions, just comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!